in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up multiple monitors or detect dual monitors on your HP laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to make sure everything is firmly attached with the accompanying hardware cables. Make sure everything's properly hooked up. If there's any installation media that came with the monitor, I'd recommend inserting that and then running it and making sure it's installed. Usually they have their own built-in step-by-step process for that. If you do not have that, you just want to use the built-in Windows features, all you have to do is select the Start button and search for Settings. Best result, you come back with Settings. Go ahead and open that up on your HP device, and then select System on the left panel. On the right side, select Display, and then scrolling down where it says Multiple Displays, choose the presentation mode for your displays. Click on that, and then select the Detect button for where it says Detect Other Display, and then hopefully it should appear. And then you can also adjust your multiple display setting preferences right up here with these various checkbox options. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.